Matiang'i's, aspiration into becoming the president. What he said, as a community, we can't say that we are the people to, even Luo as a community, it cannot produce a presidency. We must bring all the communities together. And at that time, Matiang'i had not come. Therefore, it was not very clear. Therefore, for now, and that's why I don't want to say so many things on camera, there could be a surprise as we are moving forward. Wacha kwanza, let us first of all serve. We are not in government as ODM. Individuals, yes, from ODM, they are in government, but as a party, we are only cooperating with the government. We see the country to stabilize. Therefore, but other things I don't want to say. What happens if Raila supports Matiang'i tomorrow? Or Ruto decides tomorrow that things are too hot? He is supporting who? Matiang'i. Or Gachagua decides yes, alongside. In siasa it's like wind. Today you'll find it's blowing this direction, tomorrow the other direction. We don't have